Hello friends, look what I found, a basket full of mystery eggs. Let's see what's inside together. Whoa, here comes a yellow egg. What could be inside? Let's find out. Quack quack, it's a baby duck, so cute. Here comes a blue egg. What surprise could be hiding inside this time? Splash! Oh wow, it's a fish, blue like the ocean. Oh, here comes a bright red egg. What do you think is inside? Wow, it's a red car, vroom vroom. Here comes a green egg. Maybe something from the jungle? Ribbit, a friendly frog, green like the leaves. Oh, here comes a purple egg. Can you guess what's inside? Wow, a purple unicorn. It's beautiful and bright. Oh no, the eggs are mixed up. Can you remember what's inside each one? Let's see. Red car, blue fish, yellow duck, green frog, purple unicorn. Yay! Let's count the eggs together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job, friends! You found all the surprises and learned colors and numbers. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun adventures on Kiwi Groove.